The man drank a giant cup of coffee. The woman with brown eyes drank a cup of coffee. The cow drank some water from the trough. The group of people drank some Coca-Cola through the straw. The monkey drank a bottle of water. The woman drank a cup of tea while she was working on her laptop. The baby drank some water from the baby bottle. The man drank some water from the leaf. The boy drank some water directly from the tap. The woman drank a glass of white wine. The women drank some cocktails on a night out in the town. The female jogger drank a bottle of water in order to rehydrate her body. The giraffe drank some water from the lake. The group of friends drank beer at the Oktoberfest. The dog drank some water from the bowl. The man drank a can of Coca-Cola while he was playing video games on his computer. The woman drank a café latte in the coffee shop. The woman drank a glass of milk. The woman drank a glass of orange juice. The woman drank some water while she was working out at the gym. The woman drank some water with the pill. She had a headache. The woman drank a strawberry smoothie at the local restaurant. The woman drank a fresh glass of vegetable juice from the juicer. The cat drank some water from the tap. The boy drank a strawberry milkshake. The jogger took a rest and drank some water. The child drank a slush puppy.